Hey everybody, it's that time of the year, Valentine's Day, so I created this cute little gift box over to the right with the diamond ring in it. I thought this would be great for this time of the year. You can use it as a centerpiece, you can use it on a vignette, or you can just place it on your vanity just like I have here. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a diamond ring, I guess you would say centerpiece if you will. So I picked up this box from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time, and I just glued the top to the back of it. As you can see, and I'll be using some felt, and that foam is some foam that came out of a package, and those diamond rings from the Dollar Tree. So I've cut the foam down to size. So this project actually cost me nothing because I already had all of these items. So I thought this would be great for this time of the year. And so I'm going to cut a opening in the foam so I can place the ring in there. And I originally was going to put the felt on the top of the foam, but I later changed it to the diamond wrap as you seen in the beginning of the video. So I cut an opening out. I don't think about this type of foam, it's very messy. So I was going to use the felt, and I later changed my mind. So I end up using the diamond wrap adhesive that I had from the Dollar Tree. I missed a spot right there. So you only have to put it on the top because that's the only thing that's going to be shown in your display. And then just place your ring in there. I just thought there was a cute little DIY to do for this time of the year. This would be great actually for like a bridal shower also. But this will be a great centerpiece if you were setting up a tablescape for you and your loved one also. If you haven't seen my video where I created the heart-shaped centerpiece, I'll link that in the video also. And I have it displayed here on my vanity, and I think it's cute. So that's one reason why I went ahead and did the diamond wrap, so it can match with my other centerpiece here. So I have it raised with like a tea light holder, just to give it a little dimension, and I think it's cute. So this is also another ring centerpiece I did a while back. I actually have a lot of reviews on it, almost 9,000, so it was a hit. So I did this also, creating all Dollar Tree items, and I'll link that video also. So these were some great ideas for this time of the year, and plus for any bridal shower. They would be great, or a wedding, just depending on what your budget is. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm continuing to show you love and help you save. Hey everybody, I decided to add some diamond wrap to the back of the box. Let me know in the comment section if you like it with or without the diamond wrap in the back of the box.